Hi friends, welcome to tootscorner.com videos. How to make lip balm with only 2 ingredients. In order to make lip balm at home easily, you need only 2 ingredients, that are petroleum jelly and coconut oil. Method: take half teaspoon of petroleum jelly into a small bowl. Add few drops of coconut oil to it so that it can melt and mix properly. Mix until you get thicky layer of the mixture. Now keep the mixture into the freeze for at least 30 minutes. So now your lip balm is ready to use. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.